the time tell in French. Let's see how to tell it in French language. So let's understand the basic numbers which will help us to understand the time in French. So let's start with these numbers.
1,
Un,
1,
2,
2,
2,
2,
3,
3,
3,
3,
4,
4,
4,
4,
5,
5,
5.
5. Here you can see that here we have written the pronunciation, how we should speak those words in the language. And on the other side, we have written how these words are written in French language.
6,
6,
6,
6,
7,
7,
7,
7,
8,
8,
8,
8,
9,
9,
9,
9,
10,
10,
10,
10,
11,
11,
11,
11,
12,
12,
12,
12,
13,
13,
13,
13,
14,
14,
14,
14,
15,
15,
15,
15,
16,
16,
16,
16.
17.
Now if you see these three words 17, 18 and 19, they are related to each other. Like 17 is 17. That means 10 and 7, 17 that way. So let's see 17, 17,
17,
17,
18,
18,
18,
18,
19,
19,
19,
19,
20,
1,
20.
1. So these all are the words which we require to tell time in French. Now let's go for some examples by which you will understand how to speak time in French language. If you have not subscribed, subscribe it now. So let's understand this. Suppose it is 1 hour. Then it is to be spoken like oh, 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 oh. 2 o'clock, oh. It is do, oh. Then 3 is trois, trois. Next one is 4. It is quatre, oh. Quatre, oh. Next one is 5. 5 is cinq, oh. Cinq, oh. If you observe one thing, here it is oh. And on the others, S is added, because they are plural in nature, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how we will speak the time in French language. Let's go and let's see some other examples. So this is 105, like 1 hour and 5 minutes. How will we speak that? Cinq. We already know is 1 hour. Cinq is 5. So 5 is 105. Then if it is 205, do cinq. Do 5. 305 is trois. 3 is trois, 5. That means 3 hour 5 minutes. Next is 405 and 505 will go in the same manner. Quatre or 5. And the next one is 5 or 5. 5 or 5. Going further, 110. Again in the same manner we are taking 5 more examples like this. Or these. Or these. That is 110. Do or these. Do or these. Trois or these. Trois or these. Quatre or these. Quatre or these. Next is cinq or these. That is 5 or 10 minutes. Cinq or these. Some more examples. Or quinze. That is 1 hour 15 minutes. Or cans. Next is do or cans. Do or cans. 315 is trois or cans. Trois or cans. Quatre or cans. Quatre or cans. Quatre is 4 hours and this is 4:15. Quatre or cans. Next is cinq or cans. Cinq or cans. This is 5, this is hour, and this is 4:15. Cinq or cans. Likewise, you can tell anytime whichever is asked to you or whichever you want to speak. Let's have some more example. At the end of this video, you will be able to tell the time of the day very easily. Next is 120. That is or wa. This is the spelling. Take care of it. Or wa. That is 120. Next is do or wa. Do or wa. Toi or wa is next one. Toi or wa. Next is quatre or wa. That is 420. Quatre or wa. And the last one is cinq or wa. Cinq or wa is 5 hours 20 minutes. Cinq or wa. So depending upon the numbers that we have seen earlier, you can give the correct answer. Let's go for the numbers which are having 25 minutes at the end. They all are similar again. So, or wa cinq. Or wa cinq. Do or wa cinq. Do or 2 hours. Wa cinq is 25. Toi or wa cinq. Toi or wa cinq. Quatre or wa cinq. Quatre or wa cinq. Cinq or wa cinq. Cinq or wa cinq is 525. Going further, if it is 130, let's see. Or tehant. Or tehant. Do or tehant. Te or tehant. Te or tehant. Quatre or tehant. Quatre or tehant. 530 is cinq or tehant. Cinq or tehant. So this is how we can speak any time of the day. Now let's have some random examples. Like if it is 8:26, it is with or wasis. With or is 8 hours. With or wa sees. Wa is 20 and this is 6. 26 is spoken as wa sees. If you have not seen our video of numbers, please do that. You can remember numbers from 1 to 1000 in 10 to 15 minutes. So this is with or wa sees. Next is 10:9. It is these or nof. These or nof. If it would be 10:10, write the answer in comment. What should it be? 10:10. Let's have some more examples. Suppose it is 3:12. It is toi or douze. Toi or douze. Douze is 12. This is toi and that means hours. Toi or douze. Next one is quatre or treize. Quatre or treize. Next examples. Suppose it is 5:39. Cinq or trente-neuf. Cinq or, that is 5 hours. 5 hours. Cinq or trente-neuf. Trente-neuf. That is 39. 39. Next is 5:29. Cinq or one-neuf. Cinq or one-neuf. Easy to remember now. Next examples. 7:18. Sept or 18. Sept or 18. Next is 12:39. 12:39 is douze or trente-neuf. Douze or trente-neuf. Trente-neuf is 39. Doos is 12. Doos tehant naf. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.